You have the best video in the world. But if your sounds is off, people are clicking away. What if AI could actually watch your video and build the entire sound designed for you? Sounds pretty cool, right? Yes, but first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Make sure you like, share, hype this video, subscribe, and now let's generate some sound. So today I want to show you something that honestly makes editing way easier, and it's called Ace Studio Video Composer. This tool doesn't just give you random music. It actually looks at your video, understands what's happening, and then creates music and sound effects that match it. So instead of you spending time trying to find out the right sounds, lining everything up, and hoping it fits, this does all that for you automatically. And what I like about it is that you're still in control. Everything gets placed onto a timeline. And if you want to change something, the mood, the energy, the timing, you can just tell it what to adjust and it updates instantly. So you're not starting from scratch. You're just refining what the AI already created. And whether you're making gaming content, ads, or just trying to make your videos more engaging, this makes the whole process faster and a lot more professional. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm on Ace Studio and I'm on the video composer part of Ace Studio. You could change out background music. This is great if you're a gamer. This is great if you do streaming and you don't want the same music that's on the game because you can't do that. You get a copyright strike, right? So you don't want to do that. So this is the actual software, the tools that you can change the music in the background of your video games. Okay, so I'm going to Video Composer and this is on Ace Studio and I'm gonna show you how to change out background music. I'm telling you, I'm taking it up to the next level. Check this out. Now I'm going to the file. I go to file. All right, I'm gonna import or go to video file and I'm importing a game, Red Dead Redemption 2, just a snippet of it. And check this out.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now. We got fire and shelter. Hey, I think I see something up the path.
You heard the background, right? That was pretty cool. This is from Red Dead Redemption 2. This is from that game. This is a little part of it. Now we're going to put a prompt in and we're going to change out that background sound, okay? So I'm gonna go, it's like an old Western type of vibe, right? So we're going to put old Western music. This is the prompt that feels cold, okay? We're gonna change the background, which will add to the snowy background of the scene, okay? So check this out. And it's doing the thinking and it's gonna come up with a nice new sound, new background. I'm detaching the audio and I'm going to change out, we're gonna keep the vocals, but I'm changing out the actual music behind it, okay? So look at this. We're going in and we're gonna go to AI tools and we're going to stem splitter, okay? So we're splitting out the actual music. We're gonna split it. We're gonna do the basic vocal instrumental. We're using basic stem splitter. So now we're going to still hear the voice, but we're going to change the music out, okay? It's going to be so awesome. Look at it. Look how it looks. Look how it did all the splitting, everything. Look at this. Now let's hear how it sounds with the new sound, the new background. And I don't have to worry about copyright strikes now. Okay, so let's listen to this. This is pretty cool. I'm so excited. It did everything I asked for it to do.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now. We got fire and shelter. Hey, I think I see something up the path.
Wow, that was so dramatic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, now we're going in. We're going to put another prompt in. This time, I want to hear the sound of the horse trotting, right? I'm going to go in. Now I'm going to the next level. In the snow, the different sound effects. Let's see if we can add the horse sounds to it like it's trotting. Let's take it up to
a couple
another
more
level.
days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now. We got fire and shelter. Hey, I think I see something up the path.
We got ourselves a winner. We got ourselves a... Did you hear the horse trotting? Did you hear everything? Oh my goodness. I loved it. Yo, we took gaming to another level. I love it. All right, so now I'm about to breathe new life into an old retro game. We're about to switch up the music. Check it out, Jet Set Radio Future. And let me show you how you can just do this. You can do this on TikTok, Instagram. Watch how we play this game. And I'm going to change up the music and I'm going to take it up to another level. Check it out. All right, so now I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the file. I'm going to upload and import video file, right? I'm doing that. This is a game I was telling you about. Just a little snippet of the game. Not the whole game, but a little snippet of it. And now I'm going to put a prompt in so I can change out the music. Okay, it's uploading right now. This is so fun. This is retro. Okay, that was cute, right? That was cute. Now I'm going to take it up a notch, okay? Watch this. Okay, now I'm prompting it. Can I get a fun, energetic music to Rollerblade? Okay, Rollerblade 2. It needs to make the viewer want to jump with the character, okay? So watch this. I'm going to take this up. We're not going to have no copyright strike. This is great if you're a gamer. You can do this. You can make money if you do video games. I'm going to detach the audio, okay? And I am going to AI tools, and then I'm going to stem splitter. And I'm going to split I'm going to use professional this time. Okay, see we said 6 stems. I'm separating the music, the instruments, 6 different tracks. Okay, so I'm splitting everything, and we're gonna upload it's gonna give me new music. Check this out. I'm so excited. All right, so oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Can I get skate sounds like grinding on rails and the jumps and others to match the action in the video? So I put another prompt in, and now it's going to give me sound effects to go with this music, this energetic music. I'm energetic. That music was energetic, so you know I love it, right? So now it's going to give me some sound effects. Look at all the tracks. Look at all the different sound effects we're about to add to it. Was that? Oh my God! Was that hot or what? Was that? Did you see the sound effect with the real? Did it match the video so perfectly? It was able to take that video and match the sound effects and this music and the energy based on my prompts. It did it right to the video. It made the video even better. Now I can play this video without worrying about a copy strike. I can make money and monetize this. You could do this on TikTok. You could do this as a YouTube short. You see how it was set like a short? Oh my goodness. Bravo! Bravo, A Studio. Wow. All right, so now we're going to do another video. I'm so excited about this one. I'm going to put a prompt in. Can you make fun, energetic background music background music that goes with how I'm talking. All right, I'm so excited. It's thinking, it's generating, and see, I'm so excited. You could be making money. Why are you putting out boring vlogs? You're gonna add some music behind your vlogs. Come on, make these videos a little bit more exciting, okay? Okay, be informative, but also be entertaining. People waste money on subscriptions they forgot about. Free trials. that turn into monthly charges. Before buying anything new, check your statements and cancel what you don't use. Easy money back in your pocket. Oh my goodness, that was so cute. Oh, I loved it. You can make your videos a little bit more exciting. Don't give in a boring video. Don't upload that. Add some background music to it. Come on. Your own original music that goes with the theme of what you're talking about. This is how you do it. Ace Studio's doing that. Look, I believe in a little music in the background, and I need music that fits what I'm talking about. This is how you do it. I'm giving you the tool. This is how you do it. Now, wasn't that fun? I had so much fun today. Oh my goodness. If you're creating content and you want your videos to actually feel more professional without spending hours editing sound, definitely check out Ace Studio Video Composer. I've got the link down below so you can try it out for yourself and see how it fits into your workflow. And honestly, once you see how fast this can turn a regular video into something that actually sounds polished, it's hard to go back. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try creating with Ace Studio. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.